Hmm. He wasn't close to the plant. Oh, this used to be a quicksand pile. You can clearly tell that.
Oh, you see a quicksand pile?
That clearly can tell. And I've seen it before when it was. So, just so you know, if you want to get out, always just turn left. No, these things are like, you could just pick up. You could pick these here and then just bring them home. So buying them at stores. Like, you could pick that. So many palm trees in Florida. So they call it Palm Coast. This is weird. Bag! We've been back here for 14 minutes. I've been rolling this camera for 14 minutes. Look how tight this is. Look how tight that is. Wow. Oh, Lewis to go in front.
Good?
Go. If I stop, mosquitoes start biting my arms. I'm not going to. Feels weird against my legs, but also sneezing. I hear some really stop. So now. We're kind of close now. So we're kind of. Oh, wow. Look. Ah. I don't know if you saw that spider web.
Oh, they're everywhere. Go.
This is a soothing feeling against my legs. Just go! Hey, look, Mom.
Oh, God.
Spider web. We're kind of close. Which way do we turn now? Because it goes around. If I see a clown back here, I'm going to get a stick.
I'm running out.
Which is not civilization.
I don't care if it's going to hurt.
That's the river. Kind of.
I don't know.
But we'll also get there when we get there. You know where you're going, but you don't know where it's at. That's
I know where it's going.
That was an acorn. I saw that. Ow, that poked me. It was one of these sticker things that hit me in the leg. See these? Hit me in the leg hard. It hurt. What are you looking at? Go. Am I in front of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Go straight. poop. There's nothing over here. Here we come. Look, there's some water.
I'm pretty sure it's about another 15 minutes.
That is a lie. Okay, I saw that right there. That wasn't like a branch. I don't know what it was. It was something that would attack.
I saw.
Yeah, but it wasn't a branch.
That was
Oh. I thought it was like a hissing.
well, whatever it was out there.
Oh, that one was sick. Sorry. No, that it was a sticker. Oh, right there. Oh God! Oh God! Mm.
I've got a spider web in my mouth.
Awesome. Which way do we go now? Who wants to split up? I don't know. No, it's not. Stick.
Stick, bro. A stick.
We passed it.
What? Oh, wait, go back.
It's backward. See?
We passed it.
Hold him.
That's up the plant, right?
We passed it. That's the trespass.
See how the gate's going down?
Yep, that way.
Yeah, that's the big piece of water.
It's right on it.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for a tree house right now.
In the sky. First turn to turn left, we look. I don't even think we went the right way. Ow. Well, as we were heading back.
We're up here because you're slow. Well, actually, we're up here because Mom's slow. Pretty sure it is.
Looks like we're not. See it? I don't see the tree house. I see where we're supposed to turn. We're close to it. I know that. It's down. close to here. No, it's right here.
I don't remember going down there. What are you doing? I don't see it.
Doesn't mean you will. So there's a log.
Right on the river?
Yeah. Come on. Can you hold this real quick?
And do what?
I'm taking off my shoe because there's something got in it. Right here. I think it's this way. Wait a second. I think it's this way. Wait a minute, where is it? I said I'm not sure if it's this way. See it! Go this way. Actually, right there. Oh, I see it. They're going through some grass again.
When you come to right here, don't walk straight.
We're right here. Got muddy here. Woo!
You see it? You see it now?
Is this the one you went to when you were a kid?
Oh my god.
Wait till you get right here. There's a little log going across the water. Ow.
It's pretty cool.
I don't like you. That's not very stable.
Actually, it is. I can hold John. Can you hold the camera? You should go on the second floor. It's not that stable.
Hello. Hey. Oh. Something fall on you? No. You're up there and I'm trying to get up. Who puts a tree house all the way back to this far? No.
There used to be canopy things out here.
What are canopies?
Like,
You remember this treehouse?
I don't remember looking like that. But there's a
Well,
treehouse
probably
back
did
there.
look like that because there's wood everywhere.
But those thick, like, weeds
Mm.
would grow over the trees. So you could, like, get on top of the, like, it was like a canopy.
Or you could get like up there. And I'm like, what's that? So it was like up there where you could get up.
No, they weren't that tall.
There's a hose right here. Yeah, but even then, if I did break, it's only like that. Step right there, Lewis. Don't start on this thing and it was stable. Oh God! See that tiny little piece of wood up there?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you get to the second floor.
Carter will take you in mud that will suck your shoe off your foot. It really will.
This?
Nah, that's not that bad.
All right, Riley.
You're not putting me in that mud.
No. Come on, you ready?